Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anurag and welcome to my channel. So today, this video is the OET speaking practice video, and if you're here for the other fun content, then you can check them out here somewhere. And if you're here for the OET practice, then this material is gold. Alright, today we'll be talking about how to talk about the safety of a drug to a patient. All right, as health professionals, there are a lot of times when patients want to know about whether this drug is safe or not, whether this medication that you're going to use, it has side effects or not. So a few bits and pieces that you can use in your conversation I have compiled in this video, and you can practice along as always. Okay, so regarding our segment today, I have the one-horned rhinoceros. We call it Garda in Nepali, and we have a few national parks here in Nepal. Okay, so if you go to them, then you can watch these amazing creatures in the wild. Alright, they're an endangered species. However, Nepal has done a lot of efforts to bring their population back up, and we are very proud that we have conserved this beautiful animal really well. Alright, so if you come to visit Nepal, then yes, go to a few national parks and this majestic creature might be waiting for you. Right, so with that, let's get into the video. Today is OET speaking practice, how to talk about the safety of a drug, coming up right now. Alright, so the scenario today, as I mentioned earlier, is about safety of a drug. Okay, so the scenario is that there's a patient and she's worried about taking warfarin. Let's practice. I understand that I have to take warfarin. However, I have some concerns about it. Well, my father also used to take warfarin, and he used to have these occasional nosebleeds. I mean, I wouldn't be scared of a simple nosebleed, but in his case, they were pretty difficult to control. So I'm worried that I might have those side effects myself. Yes, please. The second scenario today is going to be about a female patient who has come in with hyperemesis gravidarum. She's a bit concerned about the medications, and you have to convince her that they're totally safe. All right? Let's practice. This baby is very, very precious to me. My husband and I decided to have a child 3 years back, but unfortunately, we couldn't conceive one. Fortunately, in vitro fertilization worked for us, so, I really don't want anything to happen to my child. So I don't really want to take any medications right now, if that's all right. Yes, please. Well, that was it for the practice, and yeah, I hope you got an idea about how to talk about these drugs. Basically, the advice that I would like to give you is that, just have a good conversation and you'll be good to go. All right, I'll talk about the speaking criteria in some of my other videos, and then you can make your own format for speaking. All right, but until then, you can practice with these videos. And yeah, if you really love the slides, then I created them with the help of Slides Go. And if you want me to leave a comment down below, I'll make a video about how to make good presentations just like this one. So with that said, this is Dr. Anurag, the Life Doc, signing off with a promise to meet you yet again in another video just like this one. And until then, you, my friend, stay happy, stay positive, and as always, stay strong.